So I am very excited to be with everyone today, and I will be talking about the autonomous enterprise, how we can perfect IT automation in 2025 and beyond. And today we're going to explore how IT automation is evolving and why mastering it is critical for future-ready enterprises. And we're also going to talk a bit about the transformative power of autonomous systems, more specifically the strategic edge that they offer enterprises. And I'll share my vision for the future of autonomous IT. My background really blends hands-on engineering and also my passion for driving innovation in AI and automation at scale. Now, let's dive into the core capabilities of the autonomous enterprise and how AI, real-time orchestration, and cognitive automation are reshaping the future of IT. So welcome to the autonomous enterprise. This is really where IT runs smarter, faster, and on its own terms, powered by AI, real-time orchestration, and cognitive automation. To compete in a world of exponentially complex, enterprises need self-governing systems that adapt and evolve without human bottlenecks. And today we're going to explore real-world breakthroughs, everything from natural language workflows to predictive scaling and automated policy-driven operations. When you think about the future of IT, it isn't reactive, it's autonomous. So let's dive in. In today's tech landscape, our CIOs can't just adapt, they really have to reinvent the game. So that really means forgetting rigid structures and old school management. To thrive, our leaders must orchestrate AI-powered agents, design architectures built for constant change, and use real-time feedback loops to continuously evolve. When we're speaking about governance, we have to automate it intelligently. When we're speaking about adaptability, we have to measure and master it. It's very important to note that these 5 shifts aren't just strategies, they're your roadmap to resilience, innovation, and most importantly, lasting competitive advantage. Now, let's talk a little bit about why traditional automation is failing and why it's going to be crucial in the coming years to rethink automation from the ground up. So automation as we've known it is fundamentally broken. Manual processes can't keep pace. Our human interventions that we've put in place are too costly, and our IT landscapes have truly become astonishingly complex. Today, APIs, microservices, and cloud architecture simply demand something smarter. Fragmented automation that we see across different business verticals is obsolete, which means it's really time for us to embrace AI-driven orchestration, intelligent automation that adapts in real time, and also cognitive systems that think for themselves. When we talk about the future, it truly isn't about scripts. It's going to be about systems that are learning, responding, and evolving. Let's talk through the trajectory of technology and really explore how in the coming years, automation won't just support business, it's truly going to reinvent it. Now, when we talk about automation, we really have to think about what has been the evolution. So we've come from scripts and cron jobs of the 1980s and 90s to ITSM workflows and even robotic process automation in recent decades. And what we're seeing now is the rapid pace of business demands are simply outpacing traditional methods. We have rising operational costs, increasingly complex IT environments, and all of that has really rendered these typical manual interventions and fragmented automation ineffective. So we really have to start thinking about how can the enterprise embrace AI-driven real-time orchestration and also cognitive automation to remain agile and competitive. I truly have seen a shift, particularly this year, and I believe that advanced AI is going to begin to power these cognitive automation ecosystems, and that's going to usher in a new era of intelligent, self-regulating automation. Now, if you think about automation that's not just scripted, but intuitive, and what I mean by intuitive is where you describe complex processes in plain language and your system can instantly respond, no coding required. So, this is really the power of generative AI and how it's going to fundamentally reinvent IT operations.